So, a new leak from Front Page Tech's latest YouTube video unveils exciting changes coming to the iOS 19 camera app, potentially signaling a broader redesign for the operating system. The revamped camera app is expected to feature a cleaner, distraction-free interface centered around the viewfinder, while integrating several settings currently located outside the app. This includes in-app resolution and frame rate controls for video recording, a feature long available on Android devices but notably absent on iOS until now. The focus is on simplicity, with settings and modes condensed into swipes and fluid animations for a more seamless user experience. The design echoes aspects of certain Android camera apps, especially in allowing resolution and frame rate adjustments directly within the app instead of through the general settings menu. The updates, however, seem to hint at more than just a redesigned camera app. According to the leak, the aesthetic and interactive elements of the new camera UI bear a strong resemblance to visionOS, Apple's interface for mixed reality devices. This suggests that iOS 19 could introduce a system-wide redesign inspired by visionOS. If accurate, it would mark the first major overhaul of iOS since version 7. Alternatively, Apple may take a gradual approach, starting with redesigned core apps like the camera, before rolling out a unified aesthetic across the entire operating system. Such incremental updates would allow Apple to test and refine the design changes over time, easing the transition for users. That said, iOS 19's public release is still at least 9 months away, leaving ample time for adjustments. The specifics of the redesign could evolve significantly during this period, and the final product may differ from what the leaks currently suggest. The potential for a refreshed design language, combined with functional improvements like integrated video settings, makes the iOS 19 camera app update particularly exciting. If these leaks prove accurate, the changes could mark the beginning of a broader shift in Apple's design philosophy. With months to go before iOS 19 is unveiled, anticipation is building for what could be one of the most significant updates in recent years. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iOS 19 update? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.